Welcome to our channel. If you've lost your driver's license, follow these step-by-step instructions to report it to the DMV and request a replacement. Step 1. Visit your state's DMV website to find the specific process for reporting a lost license, as procedures vary by state. Step 2. Look for the Replace License or Lost Stolen License section on the DMV website to access the appropriate forms and instructions. Step 3. Most states allow online replacement requests. Click on the online replacement link and log in to your DMV account or create one if needed. Step 4. Verify your identity by providing required information such as your driver's license number, social security number, date of birth, and current address. Step 5. Confirm that your license was lost or stolen by selecting the appropriate option when prompted. If stolen, consider filing a police report as well. Step 6. Upload or provide any required documentation, such as proof of identity or residency if requested by your state's DMV. Step 7. Pay the replacement fee using a credit card, debit card, or electronic check. Fees typically range from $15 to $30 depending on your state. Step 8. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation number. Your replacement license will be mailed to your address on file within 7 to 10 business days. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.